got this Blink doorbell a couple months ago, and I attached it pretty close to my other doorbell instead of replacing it. I really like that it is wireless, so I just screwed it in with a couple screws, and it has a plate that attached on there, and I can set it up to where I can mark certain areas that it won't ding on, so that when cars are going by it doesn't start recording, but when they're within a certain area, which I blocked the driveway and front porch here, to start recording when it's in that area. And the camera is wide enough to where it shows the entire area here. So I really like it. It's nice and clean, modern, white. I have a couple other Blink cameras in the house and outside, and this is definitely a brand that I love. It's perfect.